Hi, thanks for calling Biomed MD. How can we help you?
Hi, oh my gosh, I really hope you can help me.
Can I get a little information from you first? What is your name?
My name is Karen Coffey.
Okay.
Also,
And
I only have minutes because I'm calling you from work. And so I don't know how much time you need for this, but I'm going to try to tell you quickly.
okay, I'm going to take some information from you and then we'll get back to you. Can I get
Okay,
age for you, please?
I'm 38.
And I asked you before you called in to get your heart rate. Can you give me a beats per minute?
Yeah, I did it on my Apple Watch, so it's 72 beats per minute.
Okay, 72 beats per minute. Okay. Um, and then can you give me a little bit of your background, family life?
Yeah, okay, so I'm a teacher. I'm at school. But at home I have 8 kids. Um, and they range in age. The oldest is 19 and the youngest is in kindergarten. She's 5. Do you want to know all of their names and stuff or?
No, that'll be fine.
Okay,
Can
good.
you give me some of your symptoms? What are you experiencing right now?
So the reason I'm calling is because I'm actually kind of getting scared. I've been having these weird things happen. First of all, I've just been like more tired. Like I'm tired in general, but like lately I've been super, 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 super tired. But I was trying to walk the kids to school, and when we were walking, like the way I'm walking is weird. Like all of a sudden I have like it's not like I'm not walking smoothly like I normally would walk because and I usually walk really fast. I've been walking slower. My like muscles are all stiff. They're hurting. It just like something's not right. And then this is kind of what's starting to scare me. I've been having like after I put the kids down at night, like I said, I was so tired. But then when I right before I'm going to sleep, I'm having all these weird it's like I'm seeing something. It's like I'm having these weird hallucinations. I know that sounds crazy. I'm feeling crazy basically is what's happening. And then I had a parent conference and I was talking and it's like I got confused in the middle of the parent conference and it was so embarrassing because I was in the middle of talking and then I didn't know maybe I sound weird to you right now. I'm normally like I have my stuff together, but I'm feeling so like out of control.
Okay, so have you ever had any? Do you have any family history of neurological disorders?
Not that I know of.
Okay. Have you had any change in diet or anything different that you're doing?
No, like I like to like do a lot of research on Google and I've been looking to see and I cannot think of anything at all, like nothing that's different. The only thing that I can think of that like it just sticks out to me for eating is I was at this barbecue a couple weeks ago and when I was at the barbecue they were serving burgers and I like rare meat, like I'm all about like a rare burger, but this one was like the one that I ate was like super super bloody, like almost like I feel like they didn't even cook it at all, but I was too embarrassed to tell them that I didn't want to eat it, so I ate it anyway. But besides that, like and that wasn't even that bad. That's all I can think of. Like I've tried to think about everything. I even started writing stuff down so I could keep track of what possibly could be happening, but every day it gets worse and worse and I'm getting really scared.
Okay, I know you only have a little bit of time left, so we're going to get a team of doctors on this, and we'll give you a call back sometime today.
Today?
Today, for sure.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thanks for calling. We'll be in contact.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye bye.